Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Exness on a MacBook plus laptop. First, open your browser on your MacBook or laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, or Safari to access the platform. Next, search for the Exness login and open the official Exness website. Then enter your email and password to log into your account. Now, start trading using the web terminal. Here, you can open trades, manage your account, and also deposit or withdraw funds directly from the browser without installing any software. After that, if you are using Windows 11 and want a better trading experience, download MetaTrader. Search for MetaTrader 4 download or MetaTrader 5 download and open the official download page. Next, install the software by opening the downloaded file, clicking install, and waiting for the setup to complete. Then, log into your Exness account by opening MetaTrader, clicking login to trade account, and entering your login ID and password. After that, you can start trading by opening charts, placing trades, and using the indicators available on the platform. Now, if you are using a MacBook, keep in mind that it does not support MT4 or MT5 directly like Windows. So you have two options. The first option is to use the web platform, which is the recommended method. Simply open your browser, log in to Exness, and start trading without installing anything. The second option is to install a Windows emulator like Parallels Desktop. Then install Windows inside your Mac, and after that install MetaTrader just like you would on a Windows laptop. Finally, choose the method that suits you best and start trading smoothly on your MacBook or laptop. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.